She's out.
She's out?
It's out. Good.
It's probably going to spin a little bit, so hold her from spinning if you can.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Rest of it. Okay, hang on a second.
Oh, this is a heavy truck.
Yeah, you're good there.
There's nothing up in here.
Nothing in that galley.
Nothing in there, so it wasn't leaking from here
It
again.
was over, so very, very good. So in a perfect world, when you change your fuel filter, it should come out looking just like that.
Yeah.
If you're running good diesel fuel, it shouldn't be black, it shouldn't be dirty. It
That
should-
also means that
like
there's no oil in there's no motor oil in that.
No.
So she's cleaned up, so it can't be the injectors.
No.
They had to overfill
Just
it.
overfill it, yeah. Want to get manifolds off?
Yeah.
Gear wrench, slip and twist sockets.
So these are the gear wrench ones designed to bite?
If I had the money, I'd have the grip edge.
Who is the grip edge a tool truck?
Benches. No, they're their own company.
Ooh. Oh.
There's that snap-on ratchet. Feel the slip, but broke the bolt off. So that's good. That's the part where it sticks.
So where did it crack the whole thing all the way into the head?
It broke it right off there.
Okay, broke it there.
Yeah, which is fine. We'll get the stud out of the head. Look how thin and how small the head is on that guy versus the snap-on. When we get into a tight spot, I mean, let's try it. See if they can handle up to it. I'm torquing on that baby. She's not slipping at all. I can't break it free. That's saying something. This doesn't even slip. I just ain't got the muscle to break the bolt. Now this is the OG snap-on. This one's supposed to replace supposed to be a lot thinner, a lot smaller, bigger handle a lot more. I've done more with this ratchet than I'll ever do with this one.
Show where you put your thumb on the back of the head and it immediately flexes. Yeah. That's messed up.
All I did is put my finger on the back of it. That's that also tool compressor. What was the price on that?
$169.87 for that.
This inside of this motor is very, very clean.
Looks good.
Very, very clean.
A little bummed about the powdered rod, but whatever.
So now these are studs, so don't go crazy. You don't have to really torque them down. They just have to be stuck.
Oh, it did come with a thing welded on it.
Yeah.
That's where she goes, right
Here she
there.
goes. Yeah, so where they go.
What do you think of the pan so far?
I love the Marosa pants.
Good looking pan.
Marosa gaskets too.
Really good looking
Make sure
pan.
you glue 'em. You got to make sure you pay attention to the direction. They're labeled front. Make sure that goes to the front of the motor.
Yeah, it's pretty. It looks pretty for real. I mean, that's thick.
They're the real deal.
Oh, it's got metal
Yes,
things
they're
in
the
here.
real deal. Those gaskets are good stuff. Big can wants to take that guy up with.
Maybe. That working better?
A little better angle on it, so. It's about as tight as I want to go. I may be wrong, you may not have 7.3 and 56 or everything out. Oh, I don't know. We're trying to get used to the line here. Want to grab the gasket? There. Right.
So we're gonna line this up, right?
Yep. Closer to how it was.
I like working with new stuff.
Right? I'm really digging this little Olsen motor.
They're all
I
good.
like the weight of it.
Yeah. What am I doing? I need to get one of those. That's the ticket.
I'm actually impressed with them. I'm gonna get some of these. The amount of shit they take off. Who brand are those? Crocodile.
Crocodile cloth.
Where the hell did you get those online?
Amazon, buddy.
Amazon. Yeah. I don't have an Amazon either. I'm not with the new age, man.
Are you like mechanic Amish or something?
No, I buy everything off the tool. See, wouldn't this look nice with a nice powder coat black or powder coat gray or
I'm still thinking
Red.
cat yellow, man.
cat yellow? Hey,
John Deere yellow. I don't know. I think it would look cool. Plus, I think it would go with the blue. It's a complementary color.
tight, too tight, broke. Tight, too tight, broke.
So what are you doing?
Just putting some silicone on the rear main plate. These dowels. See the dowels? They line up with these little tiny holes. So the only reason why you really need the tool is for wear sleep.
What's the advantage with the tool? I mean, that didn't look overly complicated.
So the
at
tool
all.
holds it on nice and square. Right?
So
Like-
so it goes on the same tension,
yeah.
pressure the whole
Yeah,
time.
but it's doing it at home. You can do it with it, you can stop. Do it with the dead blow. Make sure it goes on square, and then we're gonna pound this until it's flush with the plate, and then your adapter plate's gonna go over the top of it. So it'll pull it in. It's not gonna be a big deal. Once again, pulse the ratchet. Love this thing. I like the weight. I like the feel. Like it doesn't feel like it's poorly made. It feels very well built.
That's pretty cool. How do you feel about the gimmicky Milwaukee socket design? This is, I mean,
It's got its ups and downs. Like so, trying to start a bolt like this, right? If you can't get the ratchet, spin that thing with your fingers.
yeah.
That's cool because you get somewhere to bite, right? Instead of trying to spin something like this, it's all slippery, covered in silicone oil. I like that because I can start a bolt, spin it like that. It's got something to grab to. Getting into spots, it's a little bigger than having just a round socket. I wouldn't be opposed to having it in my toolbox.
Some oil down there, boys.
Told me it's gonna be dirty.
You did.
This is the cleanest work environment I've ever worked in.
Yeah, you did tell me that it was going to be the dirtiest dirty.
That weir seal, not all the way in yet. Start a couple of tabs. Just go sit nice and flush. There you go. Oil pan's on, rear pan's in.